Have you ever felt stuck? Like you understand English, but you just can't speak? Maybe your mind goes blank. Maybe you feel nervous. Or maybe you stay silent. If this is you, don't worry. You are not alone. Today, I will share a powerful journey from silence to speech and how you can master English step by step. Let me ask you a question. Why do we stay silent? It's not because we don't know words. It's because of fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of judgment, fear of what will people think. But here's a simple truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. When you stay silent, your brain never learns to speak. But when you speak, even broken English, your brain starts growing. This is called active learning. Now, imagine this. A person who speaks daily for just 5 minutes and another person who studies grammar for hours but never speaks. Who will improve faster? Yes, the one who speaks. Because English is not just a subject, it is a skill. And skills grow with practice, not perfection. Let me share a simple method you can start today. Step 1. Speak to yourself. Yes, it may feel funny, but it works. Talk about your day. Say things like, I am eating food. I am watching a video. I feel happy today. Simple sentences, no pressure. Step 2. Don't translate. Think in English. Even if your sentences are small, think directly in English. This trains your brain to respond faster. Step 3. Accept mistakes. Say this with me. Mistakes are my teachers. Every wrong sentence is a step forward. And here's the psychological secret. When you stop fearing mistakes, your confidence grows automatically. Confidence is not built by being perfect. It is built by being brave. So today, make a promise. Don't stay silent anymore. Speak, even if your voice shakes. Speak, even if your words are simple. Speak, because that is how you grow. Your journey from silence to speech starts now. And remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner just like you. Now, tell me in the comments, what is one English sentence you will speak today? I want to see your progress. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Smart English Stories for more simple and powerful lessons. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.